Okay, so we're going to be looking at Plant-B16 today. And this one is also grown in a jar. And you can see the nylon cord wick at the bottom. And also the net pot. And in this one, you can see a lot of the roots already coming through the holes on the bottom of the pot. Now, looking at this plant, there isn't a whole lot that needs to be done that I can see. The only things that I do see that may need to be removed, and I will remove them, are the leaves down here. They're dead, they're brown, so go ahead and remove them. And it's really good to keep an eye and keep everything nice and clean to avoid any fungus or mold to take hold. And I do see a leaf here that's a little bit old, so I'll go ahead and remove that. So overall, everything looks good. I'll go ahead and probably move this picture to a better location. So overall, not a whole lot to be done, and I'll go ahead and feed it with a bit of the solution. The solution is a quarter strength C-Max in 1 gallon of water. So I'm just feeding a little bit, and then I'm topping it off with regular water. So to make sure that it is fully diluted and doesn't create any issues for the plant. This is a little bit much, so suck a little bit back in. Same thing here. And then same over here. Okay, and that's it for this picture and this plant, and we're good to go. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.